Hi, this is Natalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with the winners drawing for the March challenges. And also I have to do a drawing for this on the left and this on the right. This is in the first week challenge video. I did a surprise giveaway of the makes I created on the video, and this is for the second video I did. If I'm correct, yes. Because this was for the third week, but I'm adding this. No, this is the second week, but this is for the third week, the spinner tag. And I thought, let's add that over there because this is a lot already. This is an envelope. There are also little pieces inside, but this is an envelope with also pieces inside. And this tag. And this is going to be all in one package in here. And the other one is for the second week. So this is week 1 and this is for the second week. But first I have to do the drawings for the Facebook challenges, and I'm going to switch my desk to another setup so you can see the names on the wheel, or I'm going to try to put it on my phone. So just give me a sec to try out what works best for the drawing, and that is just for the regular giveaway. If your name pops up, you have won a kit from my Etsy store, and please note that the new kits are excluded. But I will tell that again at the end, and also how to get your papers. But first I want to thank everybody who joined in, and yeah, you were so creative and I saw so many beautiful things, and I hope you had fun, and I also hope you had fun in the other hosting Facebook groups playing over there too. They already did the winners drawing. I suppose they did it yesterday too, but I was so busy getting things ready that yeah, I got lost and sidetracked for so many reasons. So that's why I'm doing it today. Yes, I need to check the sound because that is switched off. Yes, just one more shuffle and here we go. And the first winner is Candy. Congratulations, Candy. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. There you go. And this is the second spin. Oh, I forgot to shuffle. So sorry about that. And Cheryl, you won too. Congratulations, Cheryl. I'm going to remove you from the wheel too. I like the little puppy in the middle of the wheel. Going to shuffle, shuffle. Going to spin again. I like his little droopy eyes. And the third winner of this drawing is Renee. Congratulations, Renee. I'm going to remove you also from the wheel. Do a little shuffle, shuffle. Fourth spin. And Bianca, you won too. Congratulations, Bianca. And now I'm going to shuffle for one more time and then going to spin for the fifth winner. And Ria, you won also. Congratulations. I'm going to remove you from the wheel, but we are not going to spin with these names anymore, so it really doesn't matter. But congrats to all the winners, and please contact me via my Etsy store. There is a contact seller button over there, and then you can tell me that you won, in which group, and which papers you would like to receive, preferably with a link. That is the easiest way. And if that doesn't work, maybe a screenshot, because some kids do look a lot like each other. Because Etsy changes a lot of names in the listings. They recommend you do that. So sometimes I have to do that, but it's not the original kit name. So yeah, a link would be great. Now I have to set up something else to do the drawings for the YouTube videos. So let me do that, and then you will see me back. This is the comment picker that I'm going to use. I have my video in front of me. I copied the link, going over here, paste it into this part, fetch, anything goes. No, the keyword filter is LDA March Challenges 26. I did use this as a practice for a different video, but it works. And now I'm going to continue. And it has 22 comments that has the correct hashtag in it. And I'm going to pick a winner. And well, I wanted to say 3 things at once. Mel, congratulations. So you are the winner of the lace envelope. So this is Mel. And now I have to clear the filter, move away from this video, and I have to go to the second video. This one also has a giveaway. Go over here. Sorry. Paste. Fetch. No keyword filter. It's this one. Continue. And this one has 6 comments with the right hashtag. That's not a lot, but let's see who is the winner. Angelique de Vries. Yay! Congratulations, Angelique Adachi. So you are the winner of the CD envelope and the little tag. And let me switch back to my normal lighting and desk. So congrats to all the winners of the drawing of the March challenges, the 5 people that can pick out a kit. Please know that the new April release kits are not included in the giveaway. So anything before April. And this I'm going to send to Mel, and this I'm going to send to Angelique. And yes, about the challenge of this week, we had the bingo challenge. We are not playing bingo yet, so maybe there's some confusion because we do not have bingo cards or anything. The word bingo represents 5 letters, and I thought it would be fun to create something with a prompt that starts with one of the letters of the word bingo. So the B can be for belly band, the I can be for insert, the N can be for new, or I don't know, the G can be for golden, the O for one page wonder. Those are just examples. You can basically create anything that you want as long as your prompt starts with one of the letters that is in bingo. We are going to play bingo. I'm going to pick numbers and everything, but it's going to be a different setup. So first I need to explain how you can get your bingo card. Getting the bingo card has nothing to do with playing the entries, playing the challenges. Playing the challenges is to be entered in these giveaways, the April giveaways, the random weekly challenge giveaways. We are going to play just 2 weeks, but that has basically to do because I also want to do something special for my birthday, although I'm not certain if it's going to be on the exact date, and I want to play bingo. So there are going to be 3 occasions where I'm going to do giveaways. So that's basically it. But yeah, thank you all so much for joining in the challenges in March. I hope you will join in April too. If you don't understand what the assignment is, please ask in the Facebook group. I try to explain it as good as possible to a few of the admins. I think they understand. I'm pretty sure they already understood, but they can help you out too if you are confused too. I know it's a little bit confusing, but it's not. Yeah, I can also tell you, you have to make the B belly band, the I for insert, the N for new, the O or for number. That can be an N2 and the O for one page wonder. Sorry, I forgot the G. But I leave it up to you. And it has also something to do with my private situation at the moment. I told in a video yesterday what is going on. I want you to continue in the Facebook group with doing the challenges and play bingo. But it's going to be a little bit different than I planned. So I was not able to do an actual crafting video this weekend. I hope to do one next week for the second week. And I also hope that I can tell you in time, maybe Saturday already, or maybe Sunday, how it's going to work with the bingo. So thank you all so much for joining in the challenges, for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I hope to see you in the next video or in the Facebook group. And also make sure you check out the other hosting Facebook groups, Two Sister Jam and Sophie's Crafty Corner. And if you are on the lookout for beautiful papers, vintage papers and laces, also check out the link that I have listed down the video. That is the Two Sister Jam Etsy store. They have amazing things. So go over there and check out. So yeah, this is really it. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye.